This video tutorial presents a generic operating procedure for the Zeiss Axiotron optical microscope. The microscope is a very expensive and delicate instrument, which requires great caution and vigilance while operating. If any questions arise, please consult the GSI or support staff. The main components of the microscope include the eyepiece, a digital camera, a beam splitter, an illumination selector, a set of objective lenses, a stage with position control, and focus control for fine and coarse adjustment. For bright field illumination, verify the illumination selector is positioned inward. Turn on the DC power supply. After boot up, press the Output Adjust button to set to control voltage mode. Then use the dial to set the output voltage between 3 and 5 volts. The power supply may jump to current mode. Simply repress the button to return to voltage mode. Do not exceed 12 volts, which will damage the light source. Open the holder claw and gently remove the glass slide. Rotate the objective lens to a low magnification, such as 5x, marked with a red stripe. Use tweezers to select a specimen and place on the glass slide. Carefully seat the slide into position and close the holder claw. On the desktop, select the Micromanager icon. When running the program for the first time, the correct configuration file needs to be selected. Navigate to the Micromanager directory located under the program files on the C drive. Then select mmconfig_qcam. Once selected, this configuration file will be loaded automatically. Pull the beam splitter knob outward to enable video capture. In the software, click the Live button to stream images from the camera. Use the XY stage knobs to find an edge on the specimen. Then use the coarse and fine focus adjustment to obtain a sharp image of the surface. Adjust the contrast of the image by reducing the numerical range to fit the displayed peak of the histogram. When satisfied, save the image using a descriptive file name. Gently rotate the objective lens to progressively increase magnification. Be careful to avoid any contact with the lens that may damage it. Then repeat the previous steps. Once focus and contrast has been properly adjusted, be sure to save the image. To explore dark field illumination, pull the illumination selector outward. Then adjust the power supply voltage to about 9 volts. Again, do not exceed 12 volts. From here on out, the procedure is identical to that of bright field illumination, which has already been presented. When finished, use tweezers to return the specimen to the proper container, and then shut the power supply off. Remember to save your data and images before leaving the lab today.